All right, let's take a look at grading in Ethical Hacker. It has changed a little bit from what it was last semester. What I've decided to do is to go to a 10-point value system because I really did not feel the 0 through 4 was enough. I ended up where really in between these two a lot of the times, and about halfway through Ethical Hacker in the last one, and also Incident Handler. Ended up putting in, like a 2.5 and that kind of thing. And so it's just kind of like, you know what, let's just make it a 10-point value system. That way it's a lot more in line with, if you got 100 on this, right, then that's 10 points. It just makes more sense and enables me to give a more accurate grade. So that's what it's based on. You'll see those values being put in, but you really need to understand these standards of performance that come straight from the EC Council, so that when you're producing, right, it says produce an excellent paper. This probably, I should change this from their wording to produce an excellent thought, right? Because you may be writing 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs, 2 sentences, and really the total sum of all of this that we're seeing here on this page is you need to be able to accurately describe whatever that topic is. They really want you to understand it. And again, if you do understand that, then that's going to help you when you're really saying, I'm going to get certified. So if you kind of cut your way through easily, not, just trying to do enough, trying to survive, then that's not a realistic point of view for I am going to get certified in this, because what you're going to end up doing is having to study a lot to get that certification. Where if you're really going through this and you understand those concepts and you've gone to the level that they're asking you to go to, you're not going to easily forget those things. And when it comes to the capstone class and you can actually focus on getting certified in these different tests, then you will be brushing up, right? You'll be bringing some things back to your memory, realizing some things that you didn't realize before. It'll make it a lot easier for you. But the main thing I want you to understand from this video is that you will see 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 on our different assignments. 10-point values on those assignments, even on the tests that usually will only have 5 questions, right? So each one is going to be worth 2 points, just basically to give you the, a 10-point value system instead of a 4-point value system. Now, there is another test that, not another test, other stuff that you've got to do here, and you will see that once we get down to weeks 9 through 11, right, there's a bunch of other stuff, and I'm going to talk about that in another video, which you probably already watched, depending on where I place it. But those will be worth slightly less, when we try to calculate it all together, it'll still work out very well. But these are smaller labs that you're going to be doing. All right, if you have questions, once again, make sure that you ask me and don't suffer in silence, as they say. Have a good one.